Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energy, Scorpios, I'll be picking few cards, guys. For your oracle guidance today, guys, I have an oracle guidance for you. So maybe in your situation, you may have some confusions. It may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. So whatever it is, you can watch that, guys, and it is going to be like a pick a card. So you can watch that if you want more clarity after watching this general guidance, guys, after this daily energy, Scorpios. So in your situation, Scorpios, these cards may relate to your career or your personal life situation. So maybe in your life today, guys, Scorpios, there are people, it may be someone who is truly concerned about you. So someone close to you, they are always criticizing you, you feel. But it may be because of that love that they have in their heart for you, guys, Scorpio. So this person wants the best for you. So that may be the reason they are criticizing you over certain things. Maybe in your whatever you are doing, it may be in your career choices, or it may be in with this person you are in relationship with. So they may be wishing something's better for you. That may be the reason they are criticizing. Or maybe for some of you, they are just trying to control you, control your life. That may be the reason they are over indulging in your choices or in your decisions in your day to day life. So this may be your sibling or your parent or your close friend who is older than you, or this may be your friend. So they are trying to suggest you some things. It may be out of love, but you are feeling really irritated. You just what to say, you are thinking of your past situation, how this person has taken control of certain things, certain choices, and how it went wrong, and you don't want to repeat that same mistake again today, guys, Scorpios. So you want to change all that, so you don't want to listen to their ideas. But today, if you are quite patient, if you have that calmness in you and patience in you, you will see that things will be better for you. Things will go towards something great, something really good. So maybe if you have that patience to understand why they are suggesting certain things, things will go in a much better way, in a much better balanced way, guys. So you have to accept their ideas and accept their suggestions. So in any situation, if you are able to work with them, with the people you love, so this may be your family, or this may be your friend, or this may be someone in your career situation. So whatever their suggestions are, you can listen to it, assimilate the truth in it, then make that decision. So that way you will be making the right decision, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch that oracle guidance that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your general guidance, guys, today I have two cards. It's going to be like a pick a card. So these cards, it may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys, and it is a general guidance, so it may or may not relate. But the meaning of this guidance card is that maybe in your situation you may have some questions about your circumstances, about the people. So it may give you some clarity, some understanding to make things go in a better way in your day to day life, guys. So, that is the use of this reading, this guidance. So, that is your first card, and this is your second card. So, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So after a few seconds of silence, I will start with the first card, guys. So let's start the reading. I will keep this card aside. So this is your first card, and the card says Al-Uzza, Star of Venus. So this is a Rumi card, guys. It's based on poet Rumi's oracle. So it's based on his poetry. So we will start the reading with a few lines from the poetry. Close your eyes to see and become aware of me. Perceive me with eyes that see the unseen. Come into the mystery to find me. I am a carefree visitor here for you. Rumi. So that is the poetry, the few lines with this card, guys. So this card stands for that mighty blessing based on love, and with great blessings great growth is possible. That is the energy with this card, guys. So in your situation today, you have to have that trust in your path, guys. Trust in the way things are going, trust in your own evolution, your own growth. So people around you, they may be reacting differently. You may feel differently within yourself. You may have that satisfaction, peace and balance in your life, but people react with fear or discomfort. But you have to have that trust in their path also, because each and every one of us, we have our own path in life, our own unique path, and we do not need to convince anyone of anything. Our job is to just embrace our wisdom, our freedom, and our empowerment to grow spiritually in our life. So that is the reading, guys. So what we feel is only for us, because all of us are unique in our own way. And we should not feel judgmental about the other person, because they are also on their path of life, and their path is unique, and they are also on the way to that great spiritual growth in life. So we need not feel sad or bad about them. So we have to have that acceptance, and we have to have that feeling of confidence to shine truly and shine brightly in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys, the first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is this card. The second card, it says no place like home. So that just means we have to be authentic to ourselves, guys. It stands for authenticity, feeling comfortable in our own place. So in our career situation or in our relationship, when we are in love and when that love is reciprocated, we feel safe, comfortable, and we feel familiar with that person. So together we add to that love of that relationship. So when we are in sync, full of love, and when we reciprocate each other's love, respect and caring, we feel safe and secure. The same way in your career situation, when you act in that authentic way, when you act true to your heart's desires, your business choices, your investments, whatever you make, it is based on that truth. And you're ready to accept both success and failure because you have made the decision based on that truth. So, abundance is there to grab for you guys. So, when you work with that authenticity in your heart, you are going to reach success in your life no matter what. So, that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.